Thanks for watching. Let's see what we'll build today. Okay. It's day 19. Let's build Lego. Ooh, let's build this Lego 19. So, if you didn't watch the intro, then here's an update for you. It's day 19 of our LEGO Advent Calendar, and I'm Aaron from the Sibling Rivalry channel, so let's get started. We're going to open up day 19 here, and every time we open this box, it just gets like more and more frail. I feel like I'm expecting it just to collapse. Okay, they're like little RC cars or something. Motorbikes. Neat. Okay. Build it. They're like Tron light cycles. Do you want them to make a new Tron? Let us know in the comments below. I mean, we're not going to be responsible for making a new Tron. That's all up to Disney. I personally thought Legacy was really good. And okay, so we're going to start with these guys, which is just like a little Technic compatible 2-peg adapter jobby. Oop. Okay, so that I put the might as well do both of them at the same time. I mean, why not?
Why not take a crazy chance? Why not do a crazy dance? You can be Hillary Duff. You can be topical in the mid-2000s. Why not?
Okay, now we do that. Oh, that's the wrong color. I just put the blue on the red. The world is going to end now. Sorry. My bad. Okay, so we got that guy. Now we're going to do this guy. Ow. You ever notice that like you can pinch your skin in between the Lego bricks and it just kind of like, it's almost like a paper cut sometimes. I've never bled from it, but like definitely stings a little bit, depending on how much skin you get in there. Okay, so now we're going to do the back wheel. So we're going to take another one of these 2-peg Technic adapter thingies, and we're going to put a color appropriate square peg on the back, and then we're going to put the little antenna, these little lever antenna things. And then we do this. There is the motorcycle, little RC motorcycle, so it sits like that. And we're going to do that to the back one for the red. Oop, that's the wrong bit. I think they're motorcycles. Honestly, it's kind of hard to tell. What type of motorcycle has a cabin in it? Like a... That's the impression it kind of gives me. There's like a little clear piece there. So, I don't know. Now we're going to build the remotes. Okay, so to do that, we just take one of these black pegs with the little hole through it. We set it on there like so. And then we take these little silver guys that have like a little speedometer on there. Let's see if we can get that. I don't think that's going to show up, but we'll show it in the either in the thumbnail or in the Instagram post. So check that out. And of course my OCD is like, you got to get this centered, Aaron, so the odometers or the speedometer's in the right spot. So there's that. This one actually has a lot of extra pieces. It's kind of weird. It's throwing me off a little bit. Maybe we'll do a bonus video on the 25th or the 26th and show something you can build with all the extra pieces. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, so that is as far as it goes with the instructions. So there's the little remotes that they give you to build. I'm actually just going to modify them and add an antenna to it because you kind of need an antenna on your remote. Otherwise, how is it going to send the signal to the RC car? Important questions for your LEGO people. So, there we go. There's my own custom mod. Alright, and we're going to put these in the... We've got a dish going back here with all the extra bits and bobs. And, yeah, that about covers it for... This is what, day 19? Yeah, day 19. So... coming close up on the end. So, yeah, let us know what you thought in the comments down below. We really appreciate your guys' feedback. And like always, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, we would appreciate your subscription. And yeah, make sure you ring the bell for notifications, so that you don't miss out on our updates. We're posting regular daily updates of these videos for the remaining days of Advent, maybe a bonus video on the 25th or 26th for like what I just mentioned, and regular content on Mondays, bonus content on Thursdays. So let us know down in the comments if you got any suggestions for like a build or anything. And have a great day and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.